Beside me is Jim Beglin, and we're enjoying the atmosphere inside the unique stadium that is Wembley.
Hello, John. I'm really looking forward to this one. Let's hope it lives up to all our expectations.
Xavi. Villa. Lennon. Got it. Lennon's cross, and the cross repelled, hits it. He so nearly exploited that mistake.
Well, that should set them on their way and get into a nice rhythm. The early signs are very encouraging now.
They hit it long now. He's got in. Here's Van der Vaart. It's come through to him nicely, and a shot here puts it away. 1-0. We didn't have to wait long for the first goal.
Oh, that's how you go about the start to a match. Pace, energy, and a real cutting edge. What a good opening.
Now Kabul. Iniesta. Here's Lennon. Can he now find a finish? Could be a chance now. Oh, off the post. So unlucky. Well, it's a booking. No surprise, really. You have to agree with the ref there. The defender didn't get anywhere near the ball. No complaints about that. Barcelona with a free kick.
This is their first chance now to try out what they've been practicing at the training ground.
That is a cynical challenge. Mr. Referee, what do you reckon? Free kick. Here's Gallas. Here's Lennon. Good run down the side. Now, what next? He's going it alone. Now seeking to get that ball in. Well, everything was right there except the finish. Van der Vaart, creator of one goal already. And he launches it forward. It's on for him. Now the chance! And Modric. Now he's ready for a shot. Tackle from an awkward angle. Referee says free kick. And that was a late challenge that brings a yellow. Mascherano. Difference of one goal here with the half-time break coming up. Chance! There's a possibility here for a shot. It's another miss.
Look, if you want to win again, you have to make more of the openings you create, and that's not been there.
Plays this forward. Missed time plunge. Free kick given. Iniesta. There goes the whistle, and it's half-time. The one goal separates them then. It's 1-0. Possibility here for a cross. And the cross dealt with. Bale.
Well, I think it was easy enough in the end for the goalie to catch it, but I think in going for the lob, he's taking the wrong option. Yeah, and he certainly kept the keeper guessing with the lob.
Good play for throw. And Cesc Fabregas. Here's Xavi. Wants to get this forward. Some slick passing on display. What can they make of it? Here's Lennon. 15 minutes into the second half. Now into the penalty area. A chance. Maybe now. It's in. It's a comfortable lead now. 2 goals.
Well, it's so rare to see that kind of ability in the modern game. I'm just delighted it ended in a goal. Great stuff.
A memorable solo effort, that. So, it's now 2 without reply.
Well, at 1-0 this game was very much in the balance, but at 2-0 they ought to be able to defend this lead from here.
It's opened up nicely for him. That is great goalkeeping.
But just how wasteful was that?
The ball's out, goal kick. Picked off the ball. Promising run down the byline. He can take the shot on here. Lennon. An opportunity missed.
Oh, that could so easily have been game over. There would have been no way back from 3 behind.
He knocks it in. Tries one. But claims it.
That's a pretty powerful effort because he really got hold of that one, but he's not going to trouble the keeper from there.
An interception. Could be a chance now. Now a chance. The opponents need to somehow keep them out here. And he'll go direct. Oh, that's absolutely marvellous. Tremendous from Benefart. They lead by 3, and that may just about be that. He's pulled out a classic, hasn't he?
Well, he was just trying to guide that into an area in the hope that it may go all the way, and he's pulled it off. Wonderful.
We resume again. The score is 3-0. Oh, he's lost it. We're into the last 5 minutes. Wants to get this forward. Oh, stopped him illegally. That's a free kick. Ball in. Kyle Walker. So comfortable with it. There we have it. The match is all